Hey guys, me again. So in this one we are going to be doing some cheese toasters. These are really cheap, easy kind of things. So if you've got like a loaf of white bread, literally just some cheese in the fridge, I'll be able to show you how to do a simple one. I will be doing a dearer one at some point, so stick around and we can get going. Cheats grilled cheese. So grab yourself a beautiful non-stick pan, which is here. Lovely little thing. Pop him on a medium heat and get some butter in there. When I find a spoon, probably like that much. Get that nice and melted. So we're going to put in some butter. Yes, I know I spread butter weirdly and with a spoon. I get it. Right, so quick and easy kind of tea. I'm going to pair this with some soup, which I've lovingly made. So that's that. And we're going to get some cheese. This is one with starch on it, so it's probably not going to melt as good, but if you can use proper cheese, that'd be great. I will be doing a dearer kind of grilled cheese at some point. It's just for you guys who want to watch this. So let's get that in. Probably going to do this in one take, to be fair. So get plenty of cheese. So it's nice to kind of have a couple of sandwiches, well, say sandwiches, a couple of grilled cheeses to yourself. Oh yeah, I've used quite thickly sliced bread, by the way. So get a nice thin layer of butter on there. Get this butter nice and swirled around in my pan. Bring you over here so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, wrong way. Nope, that way. Having technical issues. Okay, pan. So you put your butter side down, minus spilling half your cheese, and then you're going to want to top that with more butter. Just be careful that you don't burn yourself, please. Get an adult to do this, or if you're an adult, just be careful. And it's just a case you're going to want it 2 to 4 minutes each side until golden brown, and I'll come back to you once that's done. So I've just flipped it over to give it a bit more kind of leeway in terms of cooking the other side, and then I can flip that over once that side's done a bit more and finish that off. So that is a nice kind of colour you're going to be going for, so it's quite crispy, as you can hear. So I just need the other side to do that, and then we're nearly done. So it's just a case of waiting for it to hurry up. So that is our toasty done. So just get this cut in. As you can see, it's quite a nice kind of crisp. And look that cheese pull still going. Lovely. So that is all sorted, guys, for this one. So if you like this video, guys, go like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.